Hello again everyone. This old TV stand here was donated to the charity shop where Mrs. Rathbone works. She knew that I'd been looking out for one because I want to repurpose it for use in my workshop. So what am I going to do with it in my workshop? Well, for some time I've been thinking about getting a tool chest to keep my tools in, as opposed to the grey box you see here. Just like keeping your tools in a bucket really. So I wanted one of these little fellows, and this one came up at work, would you believe. They wanted a little donation to their favourite charity, so £20 later, here we have it. It is a Roebuck tool chest, and even without any tools in it, it weighs an absolute ton, and it took two of us to get it to the car. Now since I got it, it's been standing on this box here, cardboard box with a few bits and pieces in it. I think it's something my son ordered the other year and didn't take with him when he moved, and as you can see, it's not particularly very stable. It's very wobbly. This was alright when I had the grey toolbox on it, because that wasn't so heavy. Even with all the tools on it, it wasn't quite so heavy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and lift the toolbox off of here, and then we're going to get rid of this box down here, and then we're going to slide in the TV stand and put my toolbox back on there. So let's give it a go. Okay, so this was my original setup, and it was quite satisfactory because that toolbox, even full of tools, wasn't that heavy, and as you can see I could keep another couple of little teeny toolboxes on top of it too, and it was quite stable, as you can see. Not so bad at all really, not as bad as this thing here. Right, and so the first thing we're going to do is get this box out of the way. Like so, and then I suppose we better have a bit of a tidy up down here, get rid of some of this rubbish, a little bit like that, and then what we'll have to do is get the TV stand in there. But before we move into position, I'm going to take out this this cable tidy tube here, because I don't particularly want it. It just comes out like so. Looks like a bit of drain, doesn't it? Okay then, let's get it into situ, let's get it into place. Right then, there we go. Fits in there quite nicely, I think. It's almost a similar height to me shelves just here. Yes, okay, so I suppose we better try and get this massively heavy toolbox onto it. Right, and hopefully to make it easier to move it across into that corner, I'll put it back on the wobbly box again. So this thing is quite heavy, so I'll have to see if I can move it from here to there now. Alrighty then, so this is not going to be easy, guys. It's very heavy. I'm not going to lift it too far though, but let's give it a go, see what we can do. That's on this corner of it, so let's just fold that handle away, and we'll try and hopefully slide it into place. Just move this box out of the way. Right, let's just move it the rest of the way. It's very awkward, I know that much. Get it away from the centre of the shelf onto those little legs. My word, that's heavy. We'll get onto the legs if we can. Will it open? Doesn't need to go any further. There we go. It's just catching the bench a little bit there, guys, so we'll have to... There we go. Yeah, we'll have to do some little bit of adjustment on that. Alright, so I've managed to adjust it so that it's no longer catching the bench just here, or the shelf, and it opens and closes quite nicely again, and it's a lot more stable. We can get the drawers open too, so won't be so much worry about it falling over. Now I can make use of this extra shelf space to put these drills on. That one can go there, slide over there like that, and this one can go in there like that. So that's freed up some floor space for me, always quite useful, a bit of extra floor space. And then I'm going to have to get some bins or something to go down here to store more stuff on. Alright then guys, so there we are, a much better solution for my workshop. I've got some shelf space there now which I can use rather than just a box. The toolbox is a lot more, as you can see, a lot more stable, much better. Okay then guys, hope you enjoyed this quick look. Thanks for coming over and helping me lift this heavy toolbox onto my new shelves, and I will see you later.